Hello, this is Joni from the e-learning team, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Google Slides. So I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to click New. I'm going to go to Google Slides, and it's going to open up a new presentation. This is going to be, if you're used to PowerPoint, this is going to be a lot like PowerPoint. Um, so it opens up a Google slideshow. First thing you need to do is rename it. We don't want to call it Untitled Presentation. Let's call it something. I'm going to call it Demo. And then I'm going to pick a layout. So I want something different. I don't particularly like this. I want a little bit of color, maybe a little bit of different font. So maybe you like this one. So it changes the first slide to have a different theme. So I'm going to go up to slide and I'm going to start adding slides. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to click in this and then I'm going to go to my layout. And this gives me a little bit of different layouts that kind of match this theme. So maybe I want the section header. And then I'm going to click on my next slide. And actually, maybe I like that. And I'm going to click duplicate slide. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. So I want the one I want duplicated. I'm going to click on it and then right click and do duplicate. So I'm going to go to the next slide and I'm going to choose, nope, not a theme, a layout for it. So I'm going to choose, what do I want? A main point. Okay. So things you can do on these. So here's my slide. This is like your title slide. Maybe you want to insert a text box. So it's going to go in and you get your plus, you add a text box and you can type in it. If you don't like that text box, just click delete. Oh, let me get on it. Click on it. And the text box goes away. You can do images. You can upload from your computer. You can go to the web and search them. You can choose a video. So maybe you have a YouTube video. So I want a multiplication video in here. Oh, that's the wrong one. I thought I had copied and pasted it, but I walked away and had to do something else. So let's try this again. Paste that there. Click search. Oh, there it is. I want this multiplication. Click select. There it is. And so I'm going to, I can crop it. I can make it bigger, smaller. It gives you some options over here about playback. You can trim the time and things like that. But I'm going to click autoplay when presenting because I do want that. Couple other things. You can arrange the order. You can center things on the page. You can change the way where your slides are. So maybe I want this slide up here. So I just clicked it and drug it up there. And maybe I want slide 3 down below. So I clicked it and I want it at the very bottom. So there it goes. So arranging slides is easy. You just click on them and move them around. You can do it with that as well. Move slide. You can go into your tab and do it that way. So this is just a little bit of basic about how to add things in your slides and then make a theme. If you have any questions, reach out to your e-learning specialist.